asked me to tell some jokes. I couldn't really think of any, so I got people to send some in. And yeah, some of them are a bit rude. I hope you don't mind, you're not offended. Who was at the Christmas quiz? Anyone?
Yes. Yeah.
Do you remember what Woogie or Wooge? What are you saying about physical chemists? No, organic chemists.
You said they were really good.
No, he didn't.
Oh no, I don't remember.
Right, yeah, he was quite rude about them. So somebody in the organic section was obviously really offended by this, so they sent me some jokes about physical chemists that they wanted me to read out. And I apologize. Are there any physical chemists here? Yeah, I'm really sorry for what I'm about to say.
I could pretend.
Okay.
I literally don't give a shit.
What do you call a physical chemist who's had sex with more than 3 women?
Physical chemist.
I don't know.
A liar. Well, the alternative punchline to that is a rapist. Yes, yeah. Okay, what do you call a physical chemist with a girlfriend? A fucking liar. Of course, you must remember that not all physical chemists are male. So why did the female physical chemist decide to try dating women? Male physical chemists. Yeah, I'm sorry. That was really harsh. Yeah. I didn't write these, honestly. Alright, that's enough being rude about physical chemists. So, what do you call a member of the Agrawal group who's not at work? Dead. That one is sent in by a Mr. J. Smizzle from the Agrawal group.
What the what? I don't even hear. No, it's instead working.
These ones are sent in by someone from the Bauer group. I hope you'll get this. If you've been in the Bauer group, you've been near the Bauer lab. So, why did the chemist take earplugs to work? Niall's Megamix. Why did the chemist stab herself in the ears? Earplugs didn't work. Right. Right, this is a bit of a weird one. I don't know if you ever know Julian Eastoe, or did you do undergraduate or anything like that? But why does Julian Eastoe pronounce the word surfaces as surfaces?
He's a cockney geezer.
What is that's just a question. There's no punchline. There's just a question. I don't know really. It's really weird. What is Paul Wyatt professor of? Fear. Fear and snappy dressing.
Mincing.
I didn't say that. I'm not making any homophobic jokes right now. I'm not sure who's having this one here. It's maybe someone who's a doctor but not a professor yet. He's a bit jealous of Paul Wyatt, possibly. Anyway, it goes, why is Paul Wyatt so scary? Ask the person who made him a professor. Do you not really find it scary? Okay, maybe you weren't undergraduate. Alright, well this one isn't about chemistry, I just kind of like it. Woo! Why does Noddy have a bell on his hat? Because he's a cunt.
Yay! And chemistry goes! Thank you very much.
Why did the Tories hate the disabled? Because they're cunts. That's the Tories that are cunts, not the disabled, though. Did you think I was saying the disabled were cunts? Shit. That's not what I intended at all.
That was almost alternative comedy.
Fuck you.
Pay me.
I'm being heckled by my sister.
Hi.
Right. This one is one that I wrote myself. Kind of. You may have heard it before, but Why didn't the bear dissolve in hexane ethyl acetate? Because it was a polar bear.
Oh, you that
Why did the bear think it was Jesus and then try to kill itself? Because it was a bipolar bear.
Ah.
And that's okay for me to say that because I'm bipolar.
Ooh.
It's true.
Ooh, edgy.
Yeah, taking ownership of mental illness. Anyone else who's got mental illness? Disclose it now. It's really fun. All right. I'm sure. Tim, I used to be in the Gallagher group. I know Tim quite well. I'm sure he wouldn't mind me telling this joke. It's not true at all. But why is Timmy G so full of energy all the time? Cocaine. Seriously, cocaine all the time. So much cocaine. Like Scarface in his office. It's mental. Okay, so I really wanted to get Paul Pringle to come and tell one of his amazing stories. But he didn't reply to any of my emails or texts or the flowers I sent him or the bottle of wine. So, do you want me to tell one of his stories for you?
Yeah. Which one?
I was going to tell the one about the lift. Has anyone heard the one about the lift before? Who hasn't heard the one about the lift?
Me.
Okay, do you want to hear it?
Yeah.
So Paul Pringle was going in the lift in the SCB, and you've heard this one before. So Paul Pringle was going in the lift in the SCB, and he got in, and he pressed the button to go up one floor, and Nick Norman got in there as well, and he pressed the button to go up 3 floors or whatever, and he said to Paul, "Oh, you should really, you use the stairs. You've got legs that work. You save the environment." And Paul was like, "That's a good point. I should do that."
Nick Norman impression.
I'm sorry.
And me.
So later on that day, Paul Pringle was using the lift in the SUV again, and he was going up 3 floors this time. And a girl got into the lift with him, and she pressed the button to go up 1 floor. And Paul Pringle remembered what Nick Norman had said earlier and said to her, "You've got legs that work. You should use the stairs." She burst into tears and said, "Actually, I need to have an operation on my legs. It's really upsetting." And they had to travel up in the lift together, very awkwardly. That is the end of that story. There's another one to tell if you want to hear it. The one about the fat man in the mirror? What about the fat man?
Oh, yeah, the fat man in the mirror.
Yeah, okay. Let's see if I can remember it.
You know the clown one?
Yeah, but that needs the slides to go with it, with the pictures.
Do you know the one about the princess and the blocks?
Later.
Shut up! Okay, I'll tell you one about the fat man.
Fat man in the mirror.
Kind of ruined the punchline a bit there, Tom.
You said it first.
Alright, but okay, so Paul Pringle was at a conference, and he was chatting to a man. Who was quite chubby, and they were getting on well, and then he sort of he saw someone through a window into the other part of the conference room, and pointed him out to this man he was chatting to. And I said, "Oh, so that one's been at the buffet a bit much." And the man who saw me said, "That's not a window, that's a mirror." So yeah, I sometimes wish I was in the Pringle group because it sounds hilarious. I really wanted Paul to come tonight, but he didn't reply to any of my emails.
But he's a total bastard.
Definitely, you don't know him at all.
I know, that's what's so great about it. That's how I can comment and not.
Does anyone know Paul Pringle? How awesome is Paul Pringle? Anyway, that's about it for me. I was going to do a song, but I never practiced it with a guitar and shit, so I'll be doing it. Well, pretend I have a guitar. Mine.
This one's it.
I literally don't even know how to play the guitar.
Hold it.
Hold it and pretend.
Make noises.
Play the guitar.
By the way, Nick Norman was. That was expensive.
It's fine.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, Nick Norman was going to come tonight, but he injured his back, apparently. I don't know what he was doing, but I hope it was fun.
Anyway, so this is a really serious song about a really serious issue. You know, we all have to save water, right? Because you know, the next crisis after the oil crisis is going to be the water crisis, right? And every time you flush the toilet, it wastes like several litres of water, good drinking water that can be drunk by people in Africa. And that's what this song is about. And it goes like this. Everyone should wee in the shower. Everyone should wee in the shower. If you're a girl, you can wee standing up. It's quite fun. Everyone should wee in the shower. Everyone join in. Everyone should wee in the shower. Everyone should wee in the shower. Everyone should wee in the shower. Yeah, there's not really much more to it than that. So yeah, thank you very much.
Mad skills. Mad skills.